Come on, video. Come on, come on. All right. Waiting on it. Now we're going to look at increasing, decreasing, and constant. And I do this all at once, okay? I'm going to do this all at once. So here's what you do. All right? On this, I'm going to get my pen. I'm going to go to the very top here. And I'm going to trace the graph. So I'm starting here. As I start tracing the graph, am I increasing, decreasing, or constant? Decreasing. Now, where does it start decreasing at? Now, you look at it in terms of x. You look at it in terms of x. So we're on the x that's starting to decrease. -11. When's it stop decreasing? -6. So it's decreasing from -11 to -6. So I go to the decreasing one, and I'm going to put a blank there. Okay. Delta math gets a little crazy, little psycho on this today. I got to talk about that. Okay. Starting at -6, what's my graph doing? It's doing what? Is it increasing, decreasing, or constant? Constant. So it's constant from -6. When's it stop being constant? -1. So it's constant from -6 to -1. Okay. All right. So it's constant from -6 to -1. Just a moment. Okay. Sorry about that. Now, starting at -1, what's it doing? Increasing, decreasing, or constant? Decreasing from -1 to where? When's it stop decreasing? You look at the x. When's it stop decreasing? 3. Good. So now, here's the thing. You've got a second interval where it's decreasing. So what you do is you put a second interval, leave some space in between. We're going to do something called a union. It's a U without a stem. If you have multiple intervals where it's doing that characteristic, you put the U without a stem. It's called a union. So it's from -1 to 3, it's decreasing. Starting at 3, what's it doing? Increasing. When's it stop increasing? 11. So it'd be from 3 to 11. Okay, we're going to review all this later. Now, delta math is a little psycho today. Okay, delta math asks you to put this in inequality notation. So here's what delta math asks for. From 3 to 11, they ask you to do it like this. They ask you to write a compound inequality out of it. Now, this is right and that is right, but delta math wants you to do the inequality. I was a little frustrated with that. Now, I'm not sure how we would do it with this. I think we'd have to put an and. So like -11 is less than. On the test or on the quiz next week, you're not going to have to worry about doing this inequality notation. But for delta math, if I have to go through a few with you today, I can help you with that. So this would be from -6 is less than x to -1. This is what delta math wants today, so I apologize about that. Interval notation is what I'll be good with for the rest on their tests and everything.